Can't see.
Yes, it's clear. Great, Fatima, you can start. Fatima, we don't have voice. Please go back, and when you want to do share, you have a small icon. Please click the small icon here to
You
do
can't
the
hear
voice.
now.
فاطمة ما في صوت، الصوت مو واضح. ارجعي للبداية، الغي الشير،
الغي ورجعي حطيه.
ارجعي اعملي مرة ثانية. بس انتوا عم تعملي شير، في عندك ايقونة صغيرة فوق تضغط عليها مشان تشغيل النظام الصوتي.
أعتد على المشاركة.
بس نضغط على المشاركة وتضغط على المشاركة بيطلع لك تحت مربعات، صح؟ في فوق هيك بتكون مربع صغير مكتوب تشغيل النظام الصوتي، نضغط عليه. تمام فاطمة؟
Mister, you can't hear.
تمام.
Okay. Median and mode. What is median and mode? The median is the middle value in the list of numbers. The mode is the value that occurs the most often. How to find the median and mode? Median, the middle number. How to find the median? Put the numbers from smallest to largest. The number in the middle is the median. If there are two middle numbers, add them and divide it by 2. Mode, the most frequent number. No mode if all the numbers occur the same amount of times. More than one mode if more than one number is the most frequent. Here's some examples. Example 1. We have 19, 9, 11, 13, 12, 19, and 10. The mode is 19 because 19 is repeated twice. Example 2. Median. 7, 10, 10, 11, and 12. The median is 10 because the middle number is 10. Did you understand the first example and the second?
Yes.
Okay. Third example. We have 5, 8, 13, 15, 17. We don't have mode because there's no repeated number. We don't have frequent number. Okay. Example 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. Here we have two middle numbers. So we will take the two middle numbers and we will add them and we will have 9. We will divide it by 2. 9 divided by 2 is 4. So the median is 4. Do you have any question? Girls?
There is no question.
No questions? It's clear for all?
Yes, clear.
Okay, I want to ask you a question. How to find the median? How to find the median?
Mister, can you repeat your question, please?
Mister, you are asking me.
Yes, answer me. How to find the median? What is the rule to find?
The rule to find the median. First of all, we must the rule of median. How to find the median? Put the number from smallest to largest, and the middle number is the median. If we have two middle numbers, first of all we add them, then we divide it by 2.
Great, Fatima. Thank you. Great presentation. I will add to you 20 mark, inshallah. Thank you very much. طيب.
Mister,
Yes.
I will do presentation, but عن شو يعني?
Now check chapter 11 and chapter 12. Chapter 11 have about 5 lessons and chapter 12 about 5 lessons. Choose any lesson and do this lesson using PowerPoint and tell me to do presentation. Just
Mister, I can't presentation.
repeat. طيب, prepare your notebook or any paper. The question, find the measure of variation. Find the measure of variation. As you remember, yesterday we revised this lesson. We have 4 mean measures. The range, the first quartile, the third quartile, then the interquartile range. So now we have this table of data. I want from all to prepare any paper, to prepare the notebook, and please, you have inside this table the data. Find the range. Find the range.
Mister, how many questions you will do?
يعني about 3.
Okay. Mister, the range is 467.
Why? Tell me why. What is the method?
599 minus 132.
Equal
467. 467.
Great. Now I want to from all to order the data from smallest number to the greatest number. Then find the median. Then find the median.
أذن.
Mister, the median is 257.
Great. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is even. 10 is even. So take the 2 numbers on the middle. Take the 2 numbers on the middle. So I can write here median equal, find the mean for the 2 numbers here on the middle. 251 plus 277 divide by 2. Find the answer here. 251 plus 277 will be 528. 528 divided by 2 will be 264. 264. So this is the median. This is the median. When you find the median here, you will see here the data divided to the two equal groups or two equal sets. This is the first set. This is the first set here.
Mr.
Yes.
Q1 equal 187.
Great. Here in the first set, find the median. Find the median to the first set. Take the two numbers on the middle, then find the median. So will be here Q1 equal
187.
Great, Layan. Here we have 183 plus 191 divided by 2. Oh, I can't find the answer here. 183 plus 191 equal 374 divided by 2 will be 187. 187.
And Q3 is 394.
Excellent. Now for Q3, go to the next set here. Then find the median. Here. So here we have 4 numbers, means even. So take the 2 numbers on the middle. So I can write here 334 plus 448 divided by 2 equal. To solve this operation, we can write 334 plus 448 equal 782. Now 782 divided by 2 will be 391. Now the last measure, IQR. How to find IQR? IQR means Q3 minus Q1. Now Q3 391 minus Q1 will be 187. So the answer will be 204. So in this example, the question, find the measures of variation, and we have here this table and the data inside this table. So the first measure, find the range. How to find the range? Take the big value minus the small value. 599 minus 132 will be 467. Then rearrange the data. Order the data from small number to the big number to find the median and the first quartile and the third quartile. The number of data here will be 10. 10 is even, so to find the median, take the 2 numbers on the middle. Then find the median, find the mean for the 2 numbers here. The answer will be 264. After you find the median, you will find the data divided to the 2 equal sets. The first set here and the second set here. Go to the first set and find the median. We have 4 numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the median will be the 2 numbers on the middle. So find the mean for the 2 numbers. So you will find 183 plus 191 divided by 2 will be 187. Then go to the next sheet here. You will find here we have also 4 numbers. So the median, the 2 numbers on the middle, find the mean for the 2 numbers here. So the answer will be 391. The last answer, IQR, interquartile range, equal Q3 minus Q1. So Q3 will be 391 minus 187 equal 204. Now the question now, do you have any outlier here?
Yes.
Yes.
What is the outlier?
599.
We have here 599 and we have here 444. Yani it's close to 444, and 444 then we have here 334. It's close and yani nearestly the same distance. And here we have 279, then 277. The all values here nearest together. We don't have big distance between just one number and the other numbers. So I cannot take 599 as outlier, because nearest to the 448, and 448 nearest to the 338. Yani nearestly the same distance between the numbers. So we don't have here outliers. So now I can write here no outliers. Thank you, Leah. Okay, the next question. We have now this table. This is the day of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We have here the first week, the second week, and the table about number of riders on the train. And the question here, the table shows the number of riders of the train each day for 2 weeks. Compare and contrast the measures of variation for both weeks. We want to find the measure of variation for this week, the first week 1 and the second week. Then we want to convert between them, to compare between them. Now we will start by week 1. How to find the range? This is week 1. How to find the range?
67. No. 86 minus 67.
Will be 19. Okay, this is the range. And the second week, how to find the range for the second week?
137 minus 49.
So 137 minus 49 will be 88. So here, when you want to compare the range between the 2 weeks, the second week greater for the range. Now we want to solve the median. we want to solve the median. So the first step for the first week, take the data and rearrange from small number to the big number. The smallest number here 67, then we have 72, then we have 78, then we have 84, then we have 86. Here 1 2 3 4 5 and here 1 2 3 4 5. تمام. Now how to find the median here? So
It's 78.
median equal 78. Excellent. And the next table, the smallest number here we have 49, and then we have 75, then we have 79, then we have 86, and the greatest number here 137. Sorry, 137. Here 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Great. Now the median here will be the number on the middle, 79 also, 79. So as you see here, the median in the next week greater than the median on the first week. So here I can write here greater, and here we can write greater. We want to find the first and the third quartile. Q1 here, go here.
67 plus 72 divide by 2.
Yes. Now we can write great, Rayan. We can write 72 plus 67 will be 139. Divide by 2 will be 69.5. 69.5. And Q3 also take 84 plus 86. 84 plus 86 divide by 2. '84 plus 86 will be 170. 170 divide by 2, so will be 85. Will be 85. And here we have Q1 equal, take 49 plus 75, 49 plus 75 will be 124. 124 divided by 2 will be 62. Will be 62 here. Then the third quartile, take 86 plus 137 will be 223. Divide by 2 will be 111.5. Compare here between the Q1 and Q2. You will find Q1 greater or Q2 greater. Sorry, here we have a mistake. Now here Q1 69.5, here Q1 62. So Q1 here greater than in the first week. So we can write here greater than. Then here Q3, here we have 85, here we have 111.5. So here we can write here in the next week greater. Now find the IQR for the first week and the IQR for the next week. IQR here equal here Q3 minus Q1. Q3 minus Q1 means 85 minus 69.5. 69.5. So will be 15.5. Will be 15.5. And here in the next week IQR take 111.5 minus 62. So the answer will be 409.5. Now which greater, the IQR for the first week or the second week? As you see, for the second week. Then do you have any outlier here? Compare the distance between the
Yes. No, in week 1 no, but in week 2 yes.
Yes. So here we can write here so now outlier here. And the second week the outlier equal 137. So this is the meaning of the measure of variation. Always remember, when you want to find the measure of variation, find range Q1, Q3, IQR. Range means the difference between big distance, big value and small value. Take the big value from the table, then minus the small value from the data here. We'll find the range. Then rearrange the data from small number to the big number, then find the median. Then you can find the Q1 and the Q3. Then the difference between Q3 and Q1 will be the IQR. Then if you have outlier, you can find the outlier. So this is our revision today. Who has a question? Any question for the two questions here? For the two examples?
No.
It's clear for all?
Yes.
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 Let us to take attendance now. Aliasia,
Here.
Beka, Rauda, also
مستر
absent.
أقدر أطلع؟
Aliasia, you can. Sarah,
Yes.
سارة عندك الشابتر 11 والشابتر 12. اختاري اي درس منهم، الدرس اللي بتلاقيه مناسب بتساوي عليه باوربوينت وخبريني على الواتساب انه انا جاهزه مشان ثاني يوم انت تساوي الدرس. اتفقنا؟ مشان نضيف لك 20 علامه. سلمى،
عادي ممكن ما أسويه بكرة، ممكن أسويه اليوم الثاني.
هلا اذا ما سويتي بكره راحت ليوم الاحد. تمام؟
أوكي
تمام. اذا جهز معك اليوم خبريني، اليوم ما جهز معك خلاص بتخبريني عن الاحد.
أوكي.
تمام. سلمى.
مستر can I go?
يس يو كان. سلمى. طيب عائشه.
Yes.
كمان عائشة أنت لازم تساوينا برزنتيشن. فاطمة here great presentation فاطمة thank you very much and Layan here Layan,
presentation.
great student Layan thank you very much
باي مستر.
bye.
مستر ليش لازم
أي.
نسوي presentation؟
عائشة مثل ما حكيت لسارة في عندك chapter 11 و chapter 12. شوفي الدرس اللي بيعجبك اللي بتلاقيه سهل بالنسبة لك ساويه باوربوينت وخبريني إنه أنا جاهزة مشان تعملي برزنتيشن. أوكي.
chapter 12 شو؟
برزنتيشن اختاري عمول أي درس من chapter 11 أو 12. يعني مثلا الميد، المود، الميديان، الميجر اوف فاريشن، المين ابسولوت ديفيشن. اختاري اي درس بدك اياه. شوفي انت افتحي تشابتر 11 في الكتاب، شوفي الدروس تختاري منه درس او تشابتر 12. تمام عائشة؟
إيه.
Okay, thank you Aisha, thank you. So this is our revision today. I would like to thank Fatima for the presentation, great presentation. I will add to Fatima 20 marks inshallah. Thank you Fatima very much and thank you for all. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.